Talk to the birdies, Logan. Honey! What? I'm not gonna ask what was that. Let me see it. Where did you get this piece of potato from? Oh yeah? Was that in your mouth since lunchtime? Okay, we'll feed the birdies with that. You wanna get out of there? I don't want you touching bird poop. I'll get you out of there in a sec. What? Are you checking out the birdies? Wow. You see the birdies there? Look at the birdies. So many birdies, Mommy. You see the birdies? Do you see the birdies? You see the birdies and you hear the birdies? Huh? Wow. I know. Where are you going? Hey, birdie. It's Grandma Sue. Da 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 da. Okay. No.
Which other bird please? Look,
I know. I wanted to put him down the floor, but nah.
No, too messy. Too messy. Here's one guy coming down and preaching.
We're here at the Flamingo Gardens. Whoa.
Look at him, Logan. Ooh, look at them twice.
Say bye-bye, birdie. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, birdie. I'm gonna keep walking. Bye-bye. Hi, birdies. Hello, birdies. Longa likes waving at birdies.
Oh, he's eating fish.
I know, there's fish on the floor and stuff. That's why it smells like that fish. Oh, look, there's a nest there. Oh, okay.
Yeah, they're two in the